Another day, another story. Top 5 foods for optimal health. Introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nutrition and discussing the top 5 foods that can help you achieve optimal health. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, improve your immune system, or just feel better overall, these foods are a must-add to your diet. So, let's get started. 1. Leafy greens. Our first superstar food for health is none other than leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens. These leafy wonders are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They're low in calories but high in fiber, making them perfect for weight management and digestion. Plus, they're rich in vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. 2. Berries. Next up, we have berries. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, these little gems are loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. They're great for boosting your immune system, improving skin health, and even supporting brain function. Plus, they're delicious and versatile, making them an easy addition to your diet. 3. Fatty fish. Moving on to number 3, we have fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fish are chock full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for heart health. Omega-3s can reduce inflammation, lower your risk of heart disease, and even improve brain function. So, make sure to include fatty fish in your weekly meal plan. 4. Nuts and seeds. Number 4 on our list is nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are just a few examples of these nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Nuts and seeds can help with weight management, lower cholesterol levels, and support overall heart health. They also make for a convenient and satisfying snack. 5. Whole grains. Last but not least, we have whole grains. Foods like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and whole wheat bread are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential nutrients. They can help stabilize blood sugar levels, aid in digestion, and provide long-lasting energy. Swapping refined grains for whole grains is a simple but effective step towards better health. Conclusion. So there you have it, our top 5 foods for optimal health: leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, nuts and seeds, and whole grains. Incorporating these foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your well-being, from improving your heart health to boosting your immune system and much more. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-rich foods is key to maintaining good health. And as always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our health and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.